Welcome to NextMatter Tutorials. In this video, I want to show you how to restrict user selection. If there are many people in your organization, the user selection list might be a long one. So scrolling to find the right person might take time and be prone to mistakes, especially that the list contains teams and users together. It's a better idea to restrict the selection to specific users or teams. For example, if a manager needs to assign a technical bug to solve, they only need to see the engineering team or the customer support team in the drop-down. They don't need to have the marketing team there. Alternatively, if there is a marketing task, it only makes sense for the marketing team to make it to the drop-down. You can also restrict the list to specific users. This way the list becomes more relevant to the people working with it. To restrict user lists, create an action with a user selection. Click to restrict. And select the relevant users, teams, or both. If you liked this tutorial, visit us at nextmatter.com.